Maat 754 planted here. Know your gold. Know your number one gold. Contrary to the false witnesses of the destroyer and our distractor, the destroyer against your laws and the distractors against your order. Distractors away from your order. Contrary to that, we are planting this Maat 754 forever and ever here online. As a guide to the feet of our own and as a reminder to the feet of our own. That threatens lives. Maat 754. Know your gold. Gold, number one, law and order. Threatens lives. Their celestial grace. There is a drama here recorded here in this book, but many people do not understand it. Moses, our great teacher, was leading. Miriam, a prophetess, rose up against Moses, conspired against Moses, together with Korah against Moses. Pay careful attention, because you're going to learn something. And this record said that Moses caused the land open to swallow them. It's a proverb. Korah still lives. We're a living witness. The Quran still lives. The Sharia law still lives. We are not lawmakers. And we know it. Miriam, the prophetess, still lives. Maria still lives. Her love as a law still lives. And Moses, a Hebrew, and Hebrew still lives. You cannot bear false witness. Bloody experiments that you make, and with it you come and you say, that the law, civil, does not live. We want to let you know that the law from the hands of Moses, civil law, still lives. How many laws? One thing from our years of experience, one thing that we have come to see is that many people, those in the Sharia law, are trying to run to enter into the civil law. Those in the Miriam law, love, are trying to run away and come into the civil law. We are not lawmakers, but we are talking about reality here. Either that the love is too liberal, that evil is flourishing, or that the Sharia, the Korah law, is too hostile and harsh, that it is considered that the civil law is flexible enough, inclusive enough, that so many people are trying to go into the civilized world. We appreciate your presence here. You're wondering, whose voice are you hearing? We are not lawmakers, you know. This is LTBLIGHT Premier Member, COACHEMEN, shedding the light in any way, presiding. Something powerful and phenomenal is moving in our world. The civil law, civilization. You have to recognize that the law is an entity that is alive as a human being. When the law says thou shalt not kill, it includes thou shalt not kill the law, because it is there to preserve you that is just and fair. You that is a good man and has goodwill. Law and order is as gold, valuable gold. Civil law, flexible, amendable, inclusive, is what your own fathers, what your own ancestors practiced. They did not kill anybody. They did not destroy anybody. Rather, they gave everyone a quarter, a corner to live and live comfortable and live and do whatever they want to do. Live and let live is the order of the day. Shed no blood, abstain from blood. The LTBLIGHT member that sent you here knows that today gold will come into your hands, and that is an appreciation of the civil law from our own fathers, from our own ancestors. Live and let live as one. Before we show you exactly how they live their celestial grace with the Old Testament and the New Testament, there's a link that is provided right here below. Because we jettisoned the gold in our hands, going after shadows, is that not why we are poor today? Follow successful people and you to become successful. Great mentors. And you will continue to live in affluence. You will continue to build it. You will continue to plant it. You will continue to share the light. There's a link that is provided right here below this video, or at the end of this video. Download the LTBLIGHT Antidote Kit against the darkness. Darkness that makes us not to know the value of gold, not to know the value of the law, not to know the value of order in our life. The law, Omenala, in my language, order, Ordinala, in my language. My living testimony is the law is alive, order is alive. Live and let live. Biri and biri. Abstain from blood. Shed no blood. One more maybe one more. 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 It's a fair balance. Life is one of scales and balances. Tools to continue to reshape it so that they can be able to satisfy and protect all under the law. It is not written on stones. It is written in hearts and mind. Without our inner eyes open, how can we be able to appreciate the law that we have? Your own fathers that gave you the great pyramids, theirs was the law, the civil law. Be civil to one another. Protect one another. Live and let live. It is gold. The law is an entity that has life. It is there to serve your interest forever and ever. Whether you are under Korah or whether you are under Miriam, Moses' law prevails, and that is the law of your own ancestors. Live and let live. It shall be well unto us. We've been doing this from day one to this very day. We're going to sign off now. This day being 754th day, be here tomorrow. It's going to be a 1001 day journey. Magic in broad daylight. We do it in broad daylight. You're beautiful. You're great. Okay? Allow our inner eyes to come open so that we can be able to rise above this very depression. Okay? Go and do the right thing. Begin the 10-day spiritual exercises and begin to see yourself unfold. At the end of this video, like it and subscribe to it and share it and promote it. It shall be well unto us. Thank you.